Hello everyone, Ray from Babco. Seasonal maintenance on your 4-post. When it's up, this is a good time to check for leaks. It can't leak all over the place. There's only really 3 places that you're going to find a leak on this thing. And that's going to be at the hydraulic port on the power unit, which is easy to see. It's right by where you operate. And what happens is that goes out to the end. And we're going to send some photos here. There's a fitting there that potentially could be leaking. And then at the end of this black cylinder where the chrome comes out, if there's a problem with the cylinder, it'll present as a drip coming from there. That will also happen if when you loaded your car up in the fall and stuck it up for the winter and you didn't relax it, it definitely would be there. You're asking that cylinder to do something it wasn't supposed to do. Keep it there. It's supposed to get it there.